It looks as if the rivalry that is going on between Untouchable and his girlfriend plus his ex-girlfriend is not ending anytime soon. In my last upload, I showed you guys how Untouchable's mother was very angry about the whole incident that is happening in his son's house, and then she set the record straight by telling Precious that she should leave the house because her genotype and then his son's genotype do not match. So Precious should leave the house so that peace can reign in the house. Today, we woke up to another news where the girlfriend of Untouchable came with so much anger and so much passion to tell the mother of Untouchable to also leave the house. According to her, she cannot stand Untouchable mother again, and Untouchable mother is making things unbearable for her. So she has instructed Untouchable mother to leave the house with immediate effect. In fact, guys, I would really urge Untouchable to be very careful with this new girlfriend of his. If this girl can tell a whole mother, that is her mother-in-law, to leave the house, then Untouchable is not safe. One day she can easily get up and tell Untouchable himself to also leave the house. Personally, I think Untouchable should be grateful for what is going on in his house, simply because he will not need a man of God to tell him that the new girlfriend that he is having is somebody who is not a wife material. In fact, this lady is displaying all her inner characters, and Untouchable should take a clue out of it and then leave her with immediate effect. If not, he will be the same person to come and cry on this social media that the lady she has married is somebody who is not helping him in any way. So guys, that is my own opinion though. Let's watch and see the moment she asked Untouchable's mother to leave the house, and then let's see how Untouchable kept her in her rightful place. And if you watch this video and you find it informative or entertaining, kindly hit the like button and then subscribe for more videos like this.
Mama,
What's
it's
this?
okay. Mama, I want you to leave my house.
Come on, house. Wait, come on. Are you?
I don't understand. What
You
have
get
you done
crazy?
this time? Yes, carry your leg and use it as so much for your back. I don't understand what is wrong with this. Mama,
What's
it's
this?
okay. Mama, I want you to leave my house. You have overstayed your welcome in this house.
Fine.
Are you talking to me? Your presence are no more needed. Are you talking to me? Yes.
Mama,
I'm talking to you.
Mom.
I know you're type of a German. Forget your mother, but not my type. Mama, you're leaving this house. You don't get This is my man's house. This is my man's house. You are leaving. You're not type of man. You talk too much. If you talk too much, looking at you like this, are you good to put in the house? Yes. I'm not accepting as the mother and the wife. Mama, you are leaving.
Are you mad?
Are you mad?
How can you be talking to you?
If you talk too much, I want the pastor that the one taking people children from them.
Mom,
And that's how we are living. Mama, you are leaving this house. She can't do anything. She just you are leaving this house, I said. She can't do anything.
Come
You
to
are
say
mad.
you should leave the
For
house.
let her just describe yourself. Mama is this one is not so wrong. Mama is leaving. If she leave finish right next, I know you let happy. Can you imagine? Yes. Mama will manage that. Nobody will manage. Mama will leave. Mama will leave. How? Yes. Leave the house. You will leave.
What's happened? Shut up your mouth. Hey, what's happened?
I don't know. I was just here. This lady from nowhere, looking at her, is she qualified to be a
And the color when she can't say somebody. What's happened now? Come on, house. Wait, come on. Are you?
I don't understand. What
You
have
get
you done
crazy?
this time? From nowhere.
No more come up from my house.
Just imagine. Can you just come up for you? Let me tell you something. You pressure. If Mama go, if Mama go ready next, I'm not going anywhere. You will go. You will go. Mama, you will go. Now you will go. Precious, relax. Now you go. Mama will go. You go. Can you manage everywhere? I will tell you. I'm not going to stay here. Leave me. I'm staying here. Leave me. If you say your father, I'm here. If you say
Come on.
I'm not going to stop your things to my house. I'm telling you about this wife. How can my son marry you for God's sake? Are you qualified to be a wife? This is my wife. I don't care. Carry your leg and use it as so much qualified to be a wife. I don't understand what is wrong with this. This is my house. I'm looking for a wife. Leave the house.
Wait.
She talked to the witch.
What?
I'm looking for a wife, not a knife. This one is a knife. He will cut somebody down and he will never cut me.
Mom,
So just tell her to fly where he came from. He can't be in my hand because it's a knife.
Mom.
And he can't cut me.
Mom, please,
This chicken is for my some work. I'm not nobody is asking from me. You will go. They say your father is alive. Will he come and see this girl? See the dressing, ma. Eh? And I tell you, only me will die in this house. What is mate? How will somebody come and carry this one?
Guy, I cannot smell. I don't know. Did you think I could
Before I
help
turn
you?
my car, I don't want to see this.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not normal. I said that Precious will leave. Mama will go. After that, useless epic will leave.
If mama goes, who will not?
I'm not going anywhere.
If mama goes, who
This
will
relationship.
We are going
I'm not
to
doing
die
it.
here.
If this is how
We
relationship.
die
Mom,
here.
I'm not
We
doing.
die
Mom,
here.
come on, go.
I don't let go.
See, go back
Just imagine
go back now.
Touch, I told you I'm not in support of this.
Come and go.
Maybe it's me and you here.
I said, come and go. I go slap you.
I'm sorry.
Come and go.
Kenny.
I'm sorry.
I said, come and go.
Maybe I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I can see the sorry so much.
You are sorry.
I don't get out from here, John. Get out.
Manager, if na me now, Untouchable will call his bastard to come and pass me out.
Guy.
You reach this one.
Where she
You are
dey?
telling her get her. You cannot call bastard. She don't reach me bastard.
What did you say?
If you talk to me, I will score you this.
If you don't go
Hey,
black.
You don't see the way Untouchable humiliated me in the pool.
White.
You don't see the way he
Calm
humiliated
down.
me in the pool.
I don't give you.
Calm
Maybe
down.
bastard come bash me out.
Precious.
You reach the
Precious.
Precious.
Calm down.
You're there. See who you want marry. You say, "May your mama leave your house." You don't do anything.
Say fine. You follow her for this thing.
I beg,
Right?
go ahead. No specifying.
You follow her for this thing, right?
I'm sorry.
Just.
You will leave this house. Believe you. Don't worry.